Namaste. Let's begin our practice focusing on three-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Begin by stepping your feet wide, rooting down through your feet with your toes turned open slightly. Place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw opposite shoulder to opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat to the opposite side. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, lengthening from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. Breathing deeply, releasing tension in your abdomen, rib cage, and spine, creating more space and ease through your upper back. Pausing, place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm up and overhead. Sweep across the horizon and repeat to the opposite side. Right arm to reach up and overhead. Sweep across the horizon and to the right thigh. Continue moving at your own pace, flowing from right to left. Pausing in upright, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your left hand to your right leg, reaching your right arm to the sky, turning your head to look towards the right hand. Unwind and repeat to the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg and your left arm to the sky, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and return to center. Extend your left leg, flexing through your heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, rotating your upper thighs inward slightly. Inhale, lift your torso to upright. Continue to extend through your left leg, drawing your right knee in towards your chest, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine, using your left hand to clasp. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your right arm back and open, extending towards straight. Maintain your hips facing forward, rooting your left heel into the earth, lengthening from the base of your spine upward. Exhale to unwind and return to center, repeating to the opposite side. Extend your right leg forward, placing your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your right leg active by flexing through your heel. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, keeping your right leg where it is. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, use your right hand to clasp your left leg, rotating your torso to the left, reaching your left arm back and open, extending towards straight. With each inhale, lift through your sternum, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Exhale to unwind and return to center. Transitioning into a modified seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. Continue here, or to increase this stretch, cross your right leg over your left. Gently press your left arm into your right leg, using it as added leverage, aiding your left side body in coming around to the right, deepening this twist. Exhale to unwind, repeating to the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. To increase this stretch, cross your left leg over your right. Gently press your right arm into your left leg, using it as added leverage, deepening this twist. With each inhale, lengthen through the crown of your head, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Exhale to unwind and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Allow your attention to move inward, noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. With each inhale, feel your body becoming more vibrant, and with each exhale, feel your body releasing any remaining tension as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.